So this is the 7th year that we have done RootEd in Western North Carolina. This was where RootEd was founded, continues to grow, and the launch event is a big part of that. We originally planned to do the launch event on September 26th and 27th this year, which were the exact days that Hurricane Helene hit.
Everybody's got good energy. It's clear that everybody's kind of like chomping at the bit to get started on their projects. And so we have almost 20 teachers who are learning about what community-connected project-based learning looks like, and so that they can get their projects off the ground now.
Yeah.
At Historic Johnson Farm, we're fortunate to receive a grant through the USDA Farm to School. So we'll have 2 teacher cohorts that will develop curriculum that surrounds food and farm and bring their students to the farm to enact that curriculum. We really were excited that RootEd is already an established practice that we can kind of just join with and offer this program.
Obviously, growing food is a fantastic example of what a student can do. Asking students to engage with community-based projects gives them a sense of who they can become as an adult and the agency they have and will have as citizens in their community.
Another big piece of the launch event is what's happening behind me right now, which is the student immersion event.
We take teachers and treat them as if they are the kids in a classroom. So they will see, okay, exactly what does it look like to create the conditions for 5th graders to be this successful, and then what would that look like in my own classroom?
Any chance that we can get to have kids feel ownership of their learning, to feel connected to the communities around them, and to feel that their learning is not just in their head, but is something really tangible and really accessible, is huge. And I think that's really what we have been talking about all morning, how to make it not just interesting, but also educational, and finding the balance between those two.
Most of us think that the more authentic learning is for students, the better. The closer it is to nature, the closer it is to community, the closer it is to work and careers, the better. And that's what RootEd is designed to do.